Before you use love spells to make someone love you, you must understand that you have to find balance in your life. Problems, situations, confusion, and stress are in your way. Bad energies, evil people talking about you. So many things stand in your way. So, before you use any love spell that works, you have to clear your way to happiness. You do this by taking it one step at the time. Heal your emotions first before you get into white magic spells or black magic. Clear your way by finding balance and peace within you and your surroundings. You can't fight your way through happiness. You can't fight your way to getting back with your ex. Like any warrior, you'll get exhausted and defeated. Are you not already exhausted? Are you not already emotionally tired? Ease your way to the thing you want before you use love spells to make someone love you. Click on the link below. I will show you how.